Hi, this is Mark Gerstein of Portfolio123, and I would like to introduce you at this time to Simulation, a platform within Portfolio123 that combines ranking and screening to produce a real-world style investment strategy. So let's get started by clicking on Simulation, and I'm going to open this demonstration simulation that was previously saved, and let's take a look at the various parts of it. Now, to get started, you specify the initial size of the portfolio, the benchmark against which you would like to compare it, your commission assumptions, trading costs, your rebalance frequency. Over here, you indicate how big you would like the portfolio to be in terms of number of shares. At present, this demo simulation has been set to hold 20 positions. You indicate the ranking system that you would like to use. Right now, the simulation is choosing the Portfolio123 predefined QVGM, Quality Value Growth Momentum System. You can choose any of the other Portfolio123 models. Descriptions are here, or of course you can certainly choose one that you've created on your own. So right now, at this point, the simulator will choose the top 20 stocks based on the QVGM model. Now, many members would like to refine it further, and also require that the stocks they choose meet certain buy conditions. Before being eligible to be chosen based on the QVGM model, a stock must meet each of these three tests. These are user-specified tests. You can specify them in the simulator, or you can copy them from a screen that you've previously created. Now, each of these stocks is held as long as they don't run afoul of one of the sell rules. And you can create these sell rules. Again, they can be the mirror image of the buy rules. For example, we had a rule here, the PEG ratio using the long-term growth estimate must be less than or equal to 2. You can have a rule that would sell it if it's greater than 2, the stock. This particular simulation doesn't do that. It only sells if the rank under QVGM of an owned stock falls below 90. You can set stop loss conditions. You can engage in some hedging and market timing, and of course you can set the period over which you would like to conduct your study. Now, after you run your simulation, this summary, what we saw at the beginning, is the first thing you'll see. You can also go down the menu here and see a lot more detail. For example, you can see your current holdings. You can also see what this simulated portfolio held at different points in the past. You can look at different kinds of graphs, more detailed performance statistics, and this is particularly interesting to our users. You can see every single transaction executed by the simulator since the inception, buys, sells, and dividend receipts. Of course, all of this can be downloaded into Excel. 993 transactions so far is a lot. And you can see statistics relating to the trading performance, winners, losers, etc., and various risk metrics, alpha, beta, R-squared, Sharpe, Sortino, etc. So anyway, this is a very general introduction to simulation. Our other help resources will give you considerably more detail on each of these features. I encourage you to investigate, and thank you for listening.